our practice is unique in many ways. First of all, my background is in general surgery. I'm trained in surgical procedures before. How's that important in hair restoration? It's not a simple surgery. In fact, when we try to teach other people how to do hair, it's actually much more complex than most other surgeries. That background allows me, or makes me, utilize extra care on the surgery. So I use the drapes in the OR like I'm doing a surgery. Even though hair transplant surgery is not a sterile procedure, it should still be treated as a procedure. So we take that we also have a nice approach with the patient, not only as far as the result of their transplants, but the whole experience. We want them, when they come in, to feel like they're welcome, to feel like they're not just a number to us. We really focus on patient care and patient experience. From the day that we meet until the day of the results and thereafter, we make sure that they are well taken care of. They call us anytime they want, that we're always accessible. We don't charge for a lot of services that other clinics charge, because we think that this is just a service that we want to provide to them. My staff has been with me for 30 years combined. They are very passionate what they do, they're very loyal to us, they're really dedicated to the patients. And I think that's the most important asset that we have here, is actually our people. Patients come in and they feel from the beginning to the end that they were a very important part of the process, and they are, to us at least they are.